In today's video, we'll be talking about how to add custom notification sounds to the different apps on your Android device. Let's jump right in. You start by downloading the files that you want to use as your custom notification sound. So in my own case, I had already downloaded the files and kept them in my device. These are the files that I want to use for my custom notification sound. So having identified the location of the sounds you want to use as your custom notification sound, you go to settings, you scroll down to sound. Under sound, you have default notification sound, okay? If you scroll down, you will see that in some phones, really, you do not have this option to add ringtone. But of course, it's very straightforward if you tap on add ringtone and then navigate to the location of the files and add. But that is not the method I want to share today, mainly because most devices do not have that add ringtone button. So if you are fortunate to have the add ringtone, yes, you can easily use it. But if you are not, maybe you are using a Samsung and you do not have that button there, you can go ahead and follow this method that I want to share with you right now. So if you come here and you do not have the add ringtone button, you can simply go to your file explorer. Let's go back to file explorer. We go to all files, internal storage. Look for a folder called notifications. So in this case, we already have the folder here. So for you to be able to use any of the sounds here as your notification sound, you have to go to the location where those sounds are, copy them into this particular location. This is the default folder for all notification sounds. So let's navigate to the location of our files, which we had seen previously. Video downloader, download. Yes. Now we have the sounds here. So we'll just select all the sounds that we want to use. And then now we've selected them. Let's just copy and then move to go back to internal storage. Navigate to that folder called notifications and paste. Now, after pasting, you can now go back to settings. Let's go back to settings. You have sound. We have default notification sound. Let's scroll up. Now we have those files that we just copied into the notification folder. They're all present here now. So you can select any of them as your notification sound. So basically, that's how to add custom files as your notification sound on your Android device. Now, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.